Caravan, as you can see. Just doing a quick tidy up, ready for tomorrow. So what do you think of that tonight then? Thought it's fantastic. Again, as usual at this place, I cannot fault the atmosphere. I can't fault the acting. I can't fault the dancing. I can't fault the singing. Another good night. Harvey wants to say a quick hello.
Hello.
Oh, Andrew. He's just on his tablet. But no, very good night. Have you kids enjoyed yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
We got spoiled.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got spoiled.
Harvey just wanted to spend all his time in a soft play.
Harvey, come here.
But no, I had a fantastic time, but the dreaded, going home, the dreaded, don't want to go home. Going home is rubbish. This is the life. Just get one of these and live in it. I could quite easily do it. Really could. It's just finding the money for it, innit? You know, statics ain't cheap. Well, you can get some good deals on them, like, but you know, it's just nice in the atmosphere and everything here. Obviously, summer and that is going to be really thriving. It's going to be very, very busy. But tonight was really good. Nice bit of Abba. Then they had, like, before that, obviously only started recording after they had, like, a little game show going on, like, between the red team and the yellow team. Things like that. We missed half of that because we didn't turn up until halfway through. But they do bingo, they do all sorts. That's one thing to look out for when you come, is definitely look at the evening entertainment. Because they have a mixture of everything in different different on different days. It's never the same thing. Not that we know of, it's always been different. Been absolutely fantastic. And that's the worst part, when you have such a good break away, you just don't want to go home. And we do, we love it here. So far, Southerness,
I'll tell you in a minute.
out of all the Parkdeans, Southerness is our number one. Still, so far. Third time here. So yeah, been really good. What's the matter?
Oh no, I'll tell you in a minute.
Alright. So no, I mean, I look shattered. I mean, we had to come back early. I was in absolute, into the caravan earlier. I was in absolute agony with my leg. My leg was swollen. But it's okay now. Managed to walk there, walk back and that, so. No, haven't even had a drop of alcohol, have we? I might have a couple tonight, just to see the night off.
Yesterday afternoon.
Oh, yeah, I mean, drinking's in our own at the Caravan, but we went for a drink yesterday in the pub. But might have a couple of mine tonight. Just chill for the last night. Because we now got things sorted like there. Look, we're starting to pack things up. Tina's just done all that there, getting a few things ready. Look, I've just cleaned up all the kitchen, washed up and wiped all the sides and everything down. Because that's strange what we found out, actually. For some reason, they're actually closing the site for the next 2 weeks. So everyone's got to leave site, I think, tomorrow. I didn't know that at all, because someone said, oh, it should pick up and be busy from next week. But found out today that they're actually shutting the site for 2 weeks. So I don't know what's going on there. It's a bit strange. I'm not sure it's because it's quiet and they thought, well, unless they've got no bookings or what, I don't know. But no, a bit of a shame. But at least it gives all the people a 2 week break before the busy time starts, doesn't it, I suppose? So give them their due there. You know, they put on a really good act and, you know, they're training through the day because Tina saw them today training, didn't you?
Yeah.
And then they're doing this at night as well, till this time. I mean, we've been here, what 20 minutes? Oh, I have to get rid of it now, wouldn't you? I mean, it's 25 to 11 now. So by the time we left, it must have been about 10 o'clock. I mean, they had a bit like karaoke after, normally.
There's a little kid doing it.
Yeah, a little kid was singing, weren't they? But you're probably thinking, oh, they've stopped their acting in that early. It's because it's quiet now. I mean, the area was there was only literally probably about 7-8 tables full of people. That was it. So it's quite quiet, and obviously with it being the last night, they've obviously finished early because last night was a bit. You could see me red patches here now. But I'm sweating. But now, have you enjoyed it, man?
Yeah.
Good. But
That's
now,
fun.
dreaded going home.
That's your fun.
Ooh. Nothing, why? It's not there.
No.
How many you're talking about?
No, it's got a number in it, sorry.
No. So yeah, don't know what else to tell. You're just going to chill now and sulk. Just go sulk, innit?
Yeah.
That's what we'll do tomorrow. We'll drive home and none of us will talk. We never do. But knowing for the fact that we may not now be away for a while because of the car is even, you know, it's even worse. So, anyway, I'll probably catch you in a bit when I have a drink and toast you all. I love you all. Catch you soon. Good morning, everyone. Ooh, going home soon. I've had to let my phone charge. It was done. I didn't charge it last night. That's why I haven't done a video sooner. I mean, we're on 8:30, so we've got basically an hour and a half. Starting, obviously, packing more bits away. Kids are just eating now their breakfast and just got to load all that in the car, pretty much. So, yeah, so going home.
Hello.
Harvey saying hello.
Oh.
Andrew said hello. So, yeah, not really much to talk about. We've just been basically sorting things. I've just put my dressing gown on because got eating on, but it's a bit chilly at the minute. Bit of a chilly morning. But look at the weather. Look at this. Lovely blue sky, and we're going home. And we'll probably go home miserable as sin. Poured down with rain. Yeah.
Right.
I don't know. So, yeah, just waiting for the kids to finish their breakfast, wash them few bits up, put it away, keep the place tidy. They always say, don't they, leave it how you've seen it when you first come in, so get a quick clean around. And then load the car and go home. Horrible way. Do yous all feel like that if you just go on holiday and you just don't want to go home? Never mind, eh? Probably end up driving home, quiet as anything. And then get home, got to unload all the car. We've got 4.5 hour drive, unload the car. So yeah, it's going to be another one of them long days today. Wish it wasn't. There you go. These sort of holidays, you really need at least 5 days. 3 nights or 4 days. Well, just say 3 nights because you've got to be off by 10. So isn't long enough. Especially in a static, you need longer really, but with the prices as well, so a lot of people can't afford it, really. So, yeah, I'll love and leave you, because I've got to go and clean up a little bit, and get everybody dressed and start loading the car. But I'll do another little video before we leave, like I did the last one. So, hopefully you've enjoyed this little adventure anyway. Something a little different for you, showing you a few little bits and bobs. Obviously haven't done a lot, ain't had the scooter, plus with the car playing up. But hopefully next time we'll get out and about more, with any luck, if I can get the car fixed. Get the caravan back out. I've got to do work on that as well. I'm not sure if I told any of you, we had a little bit of a leak, so I've already sorted that out. I've just got to wait for it to fully dry out, so I can sort it out, basically. So, yeah. So, love you all to bits, and we'll catch you just before we leave. Hopefully I'll remember. Love you all, ta-da. Right, we all saying bye then?
I got a key. I got a key.
Yeah, we're saying bye. Right, that's it. We're all packed up. Just got a couple of bits here to put away. So yeah, another bit of a sad time. Don't know when the next video's gonna be after these, or where we're gonna be. Don't know. So yeah, we're going back home. So we'll see ya on the next one, whatever it's gonna be. Don't forget, give us a subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment, all the good stuff to help our channel out. It means the world to us, and we love you all to bits. Ta-da everyone, goodbye.
Two hearts running wild.